Hello, my YouTube friend. Wow, it's been a crazy week. I have a lot of work to do today, so we're going to try to get through as much of it as I can. Let's go in the store. Okay, so let me give you a kind of an update. One cool thing is I had all those loose Family Guy figures in this bin. One guy just bought the whole bin of figures, so that was done. So I'm actually getting through this stuff a little bit without actually sorting it and pricing it and whatnot. I got these 3 bins full and this giant bin full of stuff that was traded into the shop from Cheyenne and Desiree. So I'm actually really excited to go through this. They had some really cool stuff that I want for my collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of stuff I still have to open up from Aaron. No, 6 boxes, a small box as well. No, 8 boxes. Let's check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes from Aaron I gotta go through. Whew, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get through all Aaron's boxes today, but I'm gonna try. It's Friday, and I really don't like having this much clutter in front of the store before we open on Saturday, just because Saturday's the really busy day, and it's a tripping hazard, and there's just not enough room to shop. I have to say, yesterday was a crazy day. We sold like $1,500 worth of stuff, a very high amount for a Thursday, and it was with all these boxes in the way, so it was really difficult with not enough space for everyone. But it was really cool to sell a lot. I did a lot of trading. I still have this stack of stuff from Raphael to go through. I put protectors on it, but I still have to price it. I thought I was out of protectors, which was getting kind of stressful because $7 a pop is sold out for a while. I'm hoping that they ship in the next week or 2, but I don't like putting pops out without protectors, so I thought I was going to have to put a whole bunch into my basement that weren't in protectors to sell later. But I did find about 200 last night that hadn't used this. So I'm really happy for that. I'm able to finish putting these together. Whew, I'm just worn out. It's been a crazy whirlwind the last few weeks. It's been a lot of fun though. A lot of great sales, a lot of pop selling, a lot of oddball other stuff selling, a lot of trading. And today I want to try to process as much of this as I can. Even when we open up, I'm going to still be processing because I just want to get a lot of the stuff into the shop for the weekend. Okay, let's start working on all this stuff. First, I think I want to open up all of Aaron's boxes to get a general idea of what we have to work with. I think with 9 boxes, I believe a few of them, at least 3 or 4 of them are still sodas, and the others are pops. So it's going to be a ton of work to get through today. Okay, open that up. Great. This is what's in here. Okay, it looks like he did an awesome packaging job. I told him that I would like smaller boxes within the box. That just helps protect everything. So that's what, oh, cool. I don't have these yet. Oh, neat. Okay, so he has I guess the Chinese lacquer box series. Okay, that is cool. I'm really excited to get those for my collection. Okay, neat. Okay, well, it looks like we have the throne. I actually just got that from Raphael as well, so I'll have a duplicate of that. We have the Tabi Bro. Oh, that's from Saturday Night Live. Okay, so this box looks like it's larger stuff on top and then sorters on the bottom. So I might do all the pop stuff first, just because that's the stuff that I could get into the shop. I have space for it. Okay, let's open up the next box. All right, this is box number 2 from Aaron. I'm hoping that there's a bit more pops than sodas. I love the sodas. I'm actually really excited to add a ton to my collection, but I'm not selling as many, and I kind of want to have a lot of stuff for the shop. So these boxes full of pops are great, unless it's newer pops like the Chinese lacquer box ones. Those ones I'm really excited to add to my collection. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, looks like really well packaged again. We have things in protectors, which is good. Since I'm running low on protectors, I'm happy to see protectors. And underneath, he has stuff in smaller boxes. Aaron, you did a fantastic job packaging these up. I'm really happy about that. This is what I want to see. Just everything in protectors or in boxes or just packaged really well. So I'll open those up later. What I'm going to do is as I go through each box, I'll just set them up and show you what was in each box. All right, let's open another box. Okay, this is the smaller box. I think this might be sodas or something else. Okay, more of these lacquer box pops. Okay, neat. I wonder if he had any of the, like the metallic ones that are a little bit, maybe the other ones were metallic. Okay, I'm not sure. Super thrilled to get these though. I didn't have them yet. Awesome. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. I'm looking back in the other box. I think these were the limited edition metallic ones. Wow. I wasn't expecting that at all, Aaron. Okay, that's amazing. She looks so cool. Wow. Okay. Awesome. I wasn't expecting those. Those are cool. I'm really excited to get those. Okay, let's dig into some more boxes. Okay, so far I'm looking forward to digging through all Aaron's boxes. There's so much cool stuff. Okay, we're gonna open up this box, get a general idea what's going on in here. All right, let's open it up. Oh, okay. He said he was going to send me some tromps to buy. That's cool. I told him I'd pay him about half the eBay prices on these. So that's really cool. I actually don't have any tromps. And I think these are some of the more expensive limited ones. That's amazing. It looks like we have more sodas on the bottom here. More sodas. Some Pez. Pop in a box. And just everything's well packaged. Awesome job. All right, let's open another box. Okay, we have another larger one from Aaron here. Wow, so many boxes to go through today. Okay, let's open this up. Everything's well protected. Everything's in boxes and protectors. So I'm gonna open these all up in a second. So I think this box is mostly Pops. There is one, this might be sodas. That feels kind of heavy. Oh, this is cool. I don't have this yet. We have one of the art series Mickey Mouses. That is really cool. I really enjoy this box too. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of stuff I need for my own collection. All right, let's take one peek into one of these boxes. Just very curious what's in here. Okay. Oh, that is cool. All right, we have Deadman. I think that's one of the few that I wasn't able to order from the con. Really excited to get that. Question is, why does Deadman have a Batman symbol? That's a little bit weird to me. Okay, either way, super cool box. Can't wait to dig into there. All right, let's open up the last few. All right, let's open up this smaller box. It looks like he got a mystery grail box at some point. I'm not really a fan of mystery boxes in general. I do my own on Patreon, but my mystery boxes are curated boxes. They're not really a mystery, but they're based on people's want lists. So I try to find pops people want, and I don't like gambling. I like people to get their value. You know, if you spend $40 a month, you're going to get $40 in value. That's just how I like it to be. Some months I might give you a little bit more, and then the following month it might be a little bit less to round out. But overall, you're going to get $40 every month. Maybe a little bit over. I'd like to go over by $1 or $2 usually. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Right. This is well protected. This is just a box in a box. These are heavy. These must be sodas. Oh, maybe they're comic books. Because this looks like... Yeah, this looks like a Zen box, and these are heavy like comic books. So he might have sent me one box of just comic books. Oh, wait, you know what? I just realized this box is from Alex. Okay, this box is from Alex. He told me that he was sending me comic books. That's why I was confused. So these are like just a mystery lot of comic books. We're gonna work out a trade for those. Okay, that's super exciting. These I'm gonna open up in a future comic video. All right, awesome. All right, so I believe this box is from Alex as well. He told me that one box is gonna be like the better stuff, and then one box will just be the cheap stuff that I can give him, you know, like $0.25 to $1 each in trade. Just stuff he knows that's kind of cheaper. And then the other box should be stuff like over $5 in value. So this is gonna be fun. I'm just gonna take a quick peek in here, and then I'll probably actually look through the comics in a comic video, which I gotta do really soon because they're piling up. Still trying to sort up the office so I can get comic book videos done more regularly. I was having fun doing them weekly, but I just couldn't keep up because the office filled up way too quick. Yeah, so these are just bundles of cool comic books. I'm gonna go through this in a future comic video. Okay, those are 2 giant boxes full of comic books from Alex. I'm actually really excited to go through them, but I'm gonna wait to open those in a future comic video. Hopefully I can film that within the next week. But in the meantime, I got finished going through these pops because I need to get them in the shop. Okay, we have another large box from Aaron. This is a lot of work just opening the boxes. I'm not even digging through them yet. There's just so many boxes. All right, let's open this up and get a quick look. Oh yeah, this one's full of pops. Lots of pops. Okay, I think that's just a piece of cardboard. Yeah, just protected cardboard. Okay, these are awesome. He has them all in protectors, so this means I can get them into the shop real quick. Underneath, it does look like sorter boxes, but that's okay. Again, I'm gonna process these. I'm going to just set them all up so you can kind of see what's in each of these boxes. All right, let's open up the last box. Okay, I think that was actually everything, because the box over here that I still thought was his, this box, I was just using to put a few things that I traded for the other day. A few little things in here that I have to go through. I think I actually showed you that already. Okay, and then if I can get through all Aaron's stuff, I think I have 6 more banker boxes full of pops that were traded in the last couple weeks. A lot of pops to go through. Let's start going through them. Okay, I have a whole wall of pops that I priced out for the shop. Let's go through all of them. We have the really fun flocked Hello Kitty. I love that one. This is one of my favorite pops. The Luna in her lion outfit, very cool. The Rick and Morty stuff's always good. Dragon Ball Z pops are always really good, especially like the $30 ones. We have Ultron, Domino, Ginny. That's a cool Stan Lee. Really cool turtle pop. The Once Pops sell really well. This one I think is undervalued, so I always put it at the original retail because I don't. The Pop Price Guide has it at like 11, but I think it's worth more than that because it's cool. Chewbacca. Some more Harry Potter stuff. Black Panther sells well for me. Rick and Morty sells well. Nice Mr. Freeze, $50. Hamburglar. The Butabi Brothers. More Rick and Morty. A really cool Beetlejuice. Dragon Ball Z, that stuff always sells well. Also Harry Potter, I'm low on, so I'm happy to get that. Sean Kemp's cool. John Wick Chase, that's going to sell well. Back to the Future stuff always sells well. Love the Police Officer. We have another Batman Chase, that's awesome. Original Ronin's really cool. The Skeletor and Throne, I love that one. Grogu's always popular. Deadpool. Wrestling Chase will sell well. Good price on that. Jean Grey's awesome. Just the common John Wick, but cool pop. The Chase Taz. This one I might hold for my patron Mario, because I know he's looking for a set of those. And Alice in Wonderland. I love this series where they have kind of like the faded old school box. But yeah, that's all the pops that are going in the shop. Now let me show you the pops I'm keeping. All right, I have a wall of keepers. This is what I was a little bit worried about with Aaron's collection, was there's a lot more stuff I wanted to keep selling. So this collection is one I'm going to just have to pay for. I usually like to sell enough to at least break even or make a profit. But he had a lot of awesome stuff, and I'm really thrilled to add a lot of this to my collection. All right, let me show you the wall. All right, so here's my keeper wall. Lots of really cool stuff. We have the Sonic Squatch. I love that one. The Michelangelo from the movie. Love that one. The Young Stan Lee. That one's amazing. Aloha Stitch. I have this one, but not the special edition sticker. Sorcerer Mickey with the art series sticker. Love that one. Target Con Michael Jordan. Didn't have that one yet. The Dead Man from 2021 ECC Comic Con, love that one. The limited edition Pixie from Hanna-Barbera, that one's awesome. I absolutely love these metallic versions. These are cool. I did not think I would get those. So we have the Batman, the Joker, really love the Harley one. We have the Robin, so I think that's the full set, I believe. We have the Darth Maul, that's cool. The metallic red is awesome. John Wick with his dog. Happy to get another Batgirl. I love Batgirls. I'm shocked by how expensive this Pluto is, but happy to get it. This Freddy Funko is pretty expensive too, limited 1,000 pieces. Really awesome April O'Neil, Chandler Bing, and 4 more of the Chinese Batman series. Love these. These are cool. These are the common ones. These ones don't have too much value. It's the metallic ones that do. Really cool Rock'em Sock'em Robots. Love that one. Love the Clue ones. The Fantasia one's awesome. Harry Potter one's awesome. I thought I had that one actually. Wolverine's awesome. Flocked Buckbeak from Harry Potter, awesome. Actually, I thought I had this one too, but I think I just had the flocked version. Happy to get that. Funny Saturday Night Live one. The really awesome Amazon exclusive Wampa. Really happy with that. We got Rick. This one is kind of expensive. I didn't have that one. Happy to get that. Another Rock'em Sock'em Robot, awesome. Mandalorian Pop, that's awesome. Stephen King is awesome. I love when they do the authors. Adam Sandler Pop, that's really cool. And a Haunted Mansion Pop. So happy to add all of these to my collection. Very cool stuff. Okay, we have another batch of price stuff. Some pretty good ones too. We have Newt Scamander. We have a couple of the rare Dinos from the Flintstones. Those are cool. $100 Marty McFly, that's awesome. Tula from Pop Around the World. I love that set. Some cheaper stuff. This really awesome Green Goblin. That one's going to sell real quick. More Dinos, couple cheaper ones. Love that Beetlejuice. Alex Trebek Chase, that is cool. A Grease Freddy Funko, that is cool. And Zach Morris. Actually, I think Aaron might even got that Zach from me. Okay, So that's a cool little batch of stuff. Okay, this is the final batch of Pops from Aaron, and these are all keepers. Amazing stuff. First, we have the Probe Droid. I hadn't seen that one before. That one's amazing. I'm so excited to get this one. I don't have this one. I think this is the last Pulp Fiction one I need to complete my set. Awesome. We have a common Elvis. This one, sadly, is damaged. I have him with the Hot Topic sticker, but this is the cool international version, so I'm going to keep that for now just to fill in my collection. And then we have Venom, the blue Venom, but this is an international sticker, so I'm going to keep that. This Dino I didn't have in this colorway, so I'm actually really happy to get that. I didn't have the Funko Shop Marty, really excited for that. This set's awesome. The Flintstones color set, limited to 480 pieces. Thrilled to pick that one up. This Jason, I'm going to sell this one, or I think this one's actually going to go to my patron Mario. He collects horror stuff. I know he's going to love that. This one's awesome. We have a Freddy Funko as Black Manta. Definitely a Grail piece. Don't have that. This one, I am so happy to get. This has been on my want list for like 5 years. Super excited for that one. We have the Golden Stanley. I have a Golden Stanley. Sadly, about 5 years ago, I dropped a light pole onto it, and it has like a big gash right there. So I'm so happy to get them again so I can sell my damaged one and upgrade. Really cool. These ones are super awesome. He had some of the $7 a pop signed ones, and my wife was like, you know what, you should keep these. Something she never says, but it's all actors she loves from things we love together, and so these are so cool. So we have a signed Dustin. I can't read his name, but that is amazing. Limited to 35 pieces in that color, I guess. We have a Kiefer Sutherland one that's signed from Lost Boys. That's amazing. We have a Battle 11 signed, 90 pieces. We have a Jason Patrick 175 piece signed Lost Boys. My wife loves the Lost Boys, so these are awesome. And then we have a Richard Dreyfuss signed one. This is amazing. Jaws is one of my all-time favorite movies, so I thought all these signed ones are amazing. I can't believe I have these in my collection now. Very awesome stuff. Okay, so Aaron had some really awesome Pops. I am thrilled to add a bunch of these to my collection. Also, there's a lot of really cool ones for the store, so I'm really excited for that. Now I'm going to go, he has a couple Trumps and a stack of sodas. So I'm going to go through those now and show you what he had. We have a batch of soda figures here. More duplicates. I didn't have the Green Hornet yet. I'm really excited to get that. More duplicates, those. This is a really awesome Skeletor. I love that one. I think these are all duplicates from the previous ones. We have a couple Chases. No, that's the common, but this is the Chase. 1 in 500, awesome. And then we have another Huckleberry Hound Chase. That's 1 in 1,000, and the common. So the Chases I'm probably keeping, but the rest I'm probably going to sell. Very awesome figures. Woo, it's been a long week, but I think these are the last of Aaron's soda figures. Let's see what we got here. We have another wrestler Chase. This is a duplicate, so he'll be for sale. We got Aku, Bebop, a Jack Chase. That's also a duplicate, so I have that one already. Aku again. I think I actually needed the common Captain Crunch. I needed the Michelangelo. That's a duplicate. Snake Plissken, a duplicate. I think I need that one. And then these are duplicates. So all the duplicates I'll be selling. Woo! It's been a lot of sodas this week. All right, the last batch of stuff from Aaron. We have a Captain Crunch Pez and some really cool Chomps. I really like these. I like the purple color and the pale blue and pink. Very cool. And 2 shot glasses and a signed picture from Cobra Kai. Very awesome stuff. All right, I think I'm done for the day because I'm exhausted. That was a lot of work to go through all Aaron's stuff, but it's all looked up, priced out. I'm gonna send him a payment in a little bit, and I think I'll just have to work on more stuff tomorrow because I'm kind of a little bit exhausted. I had a question for you guys. Do any of you guys watch Hot Ones? Because I didn't know if you guys know this, but my next door neighbor is the Hedonist store. Which, if you watch Hot Ones, you've probably seen the Hedonist on a few episodes. So, until next time, I want to thank my patrons for supporting the channel with their help. I'm able to do more videos like this more often. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!